Next guest betting on America's workforce, or rather she's betting on the companies that will help make it more productive. And there are three names in particular she likes for the long term. Joining us now with her picks, Kim Forrest. Bokeh. Can you pronounce that for me, Kim? Bokeh?
Bokeh. Just
Bokeh.
Plain old Bokeh.
Like the Florida town. Bokeh. I'm big in
Kind
Bokeh.
of, but it's a photography term, but we won't get into that.
Okay.
That's in the weeds.
Whatever. Now we know better. Kim Forrest, thank you.
Okay.
All right. Let's take what was just said there by Diane and Steve and bring it across the finish line into what kinds of investments should I be looking at right now, particularly in the equity market?
Sure. Well, I think this week really has given us a sigh of relief that things aren't, we're not going towards the word that everybody dreads, stagflation. And I think because of that, and because of the earnings season that we're just coming out of, we're getting a picture of how businesses are spending. And then this productivity says, holy cow, businesses have spent, and somehow they've made their employees more productive. So I don't think productivity ever goes out of style for business. And I think that going into the next 3 to 5 years, investors really have to understand that the labor market isn't necessarily growing, and companies are going to have to spend to make the people that they have more productive. And that's why we like the names that we like.
All right, so let's get to those names that you like, and they're not necessarily the sexy plays in artificial intelligence. They're more sort of bricks and mortar plays.
Sure. Well, they are touched by AI. We'll say that as opposed to that being the driver of their recent success. And yes, NVIDIA, I'm talking to you that you've really benefited from AI. I think both AMD, and they had a strong report this week, but it's more exciting that Lisa Su announced that they're going to have $2 billion in AI chips being sold next year in 2024, or at least that's her target. And I think that's very, very exciting. And I think Intel still has a shot at recovering some of their more high-tech business, and that too will go into some sort of AI.
And a third name is Micron.
Right, because what people don't, I don't think you can ever underestimate the amount of data that AI needs. And that data has to live somewhere. And Micron, half of their product set goes towards memory or, storage. So I think that's really exciting. And I think the growth of storage and the prices that they can get for storage is holding up Micron right now and will drive it in the future.
So much of the market's gains, such as they are, or such as they remain this year, have been driven by those magnificent seven stocks. Where are you on those babies?
Well, I think if ChatGPT doesn't take over the world, NVIDIA investors might be disappointed. And I'd never like to say that technology is going to roll out on investors' timeline. That's something that you can count on. It's always going to take longer. It's not going to be the magic that you think in the short term, but it's going to surprise in the long term. And that's how just about every new technology has ever rolled out. And that's kind of why I don't like the Magnificent Seven, is because so much of it is banking on a short timeline for AI and the sexy AI success.